Hi, want to know how to maximize battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, first thing that we can do, that's to disable Wi-Fi, mobile data, location services, Bluetooth, and quick share every time when you don't use them. This is kind of a lot of features and there's no need to disable every of them every time then you are not using them, but at least the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data will help to save the battery life a lot. Next thing that we can do, that's to open settings and then find this tab which is named battery. Open it and here enable the power saving. But do not forget to disable the power saving mode every time when you are putting your phone on a charge because this can damage the battery and also cause overheating. And last thing that we can do, that's to lower our brightness at least for 10%. You won't even nothing the difference, but it will save the battery for a while. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.